In Trimble Business Center Survey Advanced Edition, you have the ability to create what's called a projected surface. So a projected surface is used in conjunction with a custom defined plane. This will create a projected non-horizontal surface. So a horizontal surface is a typical surface, triangulated surface, typically done from a plan view. And if I was to take this series of points in this point cloud scan and create a surface from it, you're going to see this is the result I get from that point cloud. You can see I get these long elongated triangles that are going up because it's creating from the top view, or basically the top horizontal plane. So what we want to do is more projected plane. So what I'm going to do is turn the surface off. I'm going to select these points, and from these points I'm going to create use the create projected surface command on the surfaces tab. It'll ask me for a new surface. I'll call this rock ledge, and we can give it a color, and then we've got our members, and we're going to define a plane. So I'm going to come in here and click new. Let's go ahead and remove these other two that we have here, and I'm just going to move this guy over. And what we want to do in our top view is we're going to create a new plane, and it's going to be a vertical plane. The name, we can call it rock face is the plane we want. And the point one is going to be, you just want to make something parallel, somewhat parallel to your rock face or retaining wall or building front. So I'm going to just pick a point at this end, and my second point is going to be over at this end. So I've kind of defined that plane, you can see here, and we'll click close, and then I'll go ahead and click OK. And what it's going to do is it's going to get the points, and it's going to create a projected surface. Once complete, we'll go ahead and turn off the scans and look at this surface. Now if you look at the triangulation compared to the other one, you'll see that we're getting a better result of our rock face. So now we can blast this rock face, rescan it, create another projected rock face or another projected surface, and compare the two with a cut fill map or Earthwork report or whatever, because now we're having a different we have a better surface that can give us better data, better information. So you'll notice that it's actually a nicer face projected onto the surface of that rock ledge.